Africa Content TV.
89, 90, Aremo. Now the fourth one. Now, oh yeah, for you, the fourth one, 1, 2, 80, 85, 88, 89, 90. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the Thank you, Your Excellency. We are grateful. As I can see, is very much. Chief Yusuf, let our paramount rulers, let our fathers, the royal fathers, Alake, the governors, the past governors first, to come and take the photograph with KBSC. All governors with KBSC. Excellency and Awujale, no. Gaza, please come here. The Vice President first, the Vice President and KBSC alone. Gaza, come here, please. On this occasion of love. I put the mic. No. Enough is enough, please. Can you move? Is it enough? Please, can you move? Your Excellencies, Mr. Gentlemen, please let's have some orderliness. We call out how the programs will be taking place. Please, let's put some order into this. Please, there's enough time to take pictures later on. Let's have some order to this. We'll invite groups to come out and take pictures with the KBSC. For now, please, let's have our seats, please.
Let's have some order into this place. Thank you. Thank you.
Cameraman, enough is enough, please. Johnny, I want to know.
Just the music, let it be subtle, please. Subtle music, just in the background, please. Please, we want everyone to calm down. We'll take the pictures in series, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, cameraman, please. Go back to your position, please.
Gentlemen, all protocols, I thank you all. This has been quite a great moment in my life. VP, I thank you most sincerely for coming to enjoy this time with yourself. God, in His mercy, will keep us all and give us peace in our homes. Give us peace in our country. Give us peace in all our lives. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Please, can we put our hands together for the chief celebrants? Kabisi, Kadipelori, Kibata Pelese.